Hey everybody, welcome back to Sand Dog Kayak Adventure. I'm Glenn, and I want to congratulate Dennis and Marie. They won our raffle not too long ago, a few days ago. They've got a trip for two to Mission Bay or Point Loma. So congratulations to you guys. And I'm working on something. I'm working on something kind of big. I'll let you guys know in the next few days. I've reached out to someone to see if we can do something for you guys for like Christmas kind of thing. So stay tuned for that. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I think you're going to really like this. But today, I want to tell you guys we're in Mission Bay. We're going for halibut, corvina, kind of whatever's around. We're with a guy. His name's Ray. He's a retired combat vet. Great dude, great fisherman from Oklahoma, out here doing some work up in Oceanside, Camp Pendleton, heading back home. So he's got a fishing trip with me today, and he's going to be fishing with us again on Monday in Point Loma. So look for that video. But wish us luck today. We'll be out here fishing for halibut and corvina. Hopefully I have a lot to show you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to like the video, hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, all that jazz. Look at these guys. Don't they look chill? Thanks for watching, guys. You. Oh, sweet. I'm definitely not scared of a few anchovies. Oh. I think I got a big Hallie. Popped off one. I let him take it. I think he's got it right now. Let's see. We're going to go back and search for him. I went back. He doesn't feel like the same fish. Feels okay, but he feels like a spotty now, whatever this is. Oh no, it's a halibut. A nice one too. It's not bad. Oh, I bet you it was the same one. He's probably close to a keeper, but I think he's a little short. Yeah, he popped off right at the boat. He was a short halibut. What do we got? What do we got? Almost positive a halibut. Yep. I think he's gonna be a keeper. Well, there he is. Let's see what we got, boys and girls. Oh yeah. He's hair over 25. 5.5. Let's see if he wants them. You want to bring him home? He's 25.
Absolutely.
10-4, your dinner's here. I'll carry him, of course. And that's how you do it, boys and girls. Just troll that live bait around the bottom. We've been fishing for probably an hour and a half, 2 hours, not even a bite. I think he might have had one bite, you know. Just started off a little slow, and then all of a sudden out of the blue, bam! I caught that one that was, it looked like it might have been a keeper, gonna be close, but he popped off, no big deal. Went back around, circled around. Halibut tend to stay in the same area. They tend to like the same whatever's going on at the time. So just did a few circles in that same area, boom, 25 inches. I don't want to say it's that easy, but it's that easy, you know what I mean? Just either drag around live bait, or if you're a plastics guy, toss your plastics along the edge of the eelgrass. I was actually in the eelgrass for a couple seconds. Rolled up a bunch of salad. I was like, okay, moved out about 10, 15 feet, then caught that halibut. Not a big secret to what we do here. Here's my salad. So, back to more fishing. Ray and I both got hooked up at the same time. I'm guessing I probably have a spotty too. We probably went through a little group of spotties chilling out. I'm here. Yep, you're a spotty. I can tell by the way you're fighting. And you should have a pair of, oh, you know about the players on there. Yep, little spotty. Nothing too crazy.
I'll take a picture of this one. They got
No, you can get you like little bass thumb. They don't have anything in their mouth.
Oh, no.
Their little spines don't feel that great.